Hi guys, welcome back. I hope everybody had a great weekend. It is Monday, April 13th, and it is the first review day for our AP US History exam. This week we're going to have review lessons on Monday and Wednesday, and we're going to focus on time period number 3, 1754 to 1800. The first 2/3 of that time period cover the summer assignment, so we definitely want to spend some good time reviewing this. And so you are going to be on our classroom website under, what is it called? Studying for the AP exam, lessons and resources. I've already posted there a week ago, review of the new AP exam. And today, what I want you to take a look at first is a document I placed there called the Thematic Learning Objectives. You have a hard copy of it here. And this isn't new, okay? This is the stuff that we've talked about all year, but I wanted to put it in one concise document so you can see in one place the 8 major themes of AP US history. And the document includes the official definition of that theme from the AP as well as analysis of that theme. In other words, a practical explanation of that theme that's provided in the AMSCO review book. This is something that I've been using. It's a real good, concise sort of like cheat sheet for AP US history. So certainly going to use some of those materials here. After you take a look at that, you will see there's a document for time period number 3, 1754 to 1800. And when you click on that, you'll see time period 3 is broken up into 3 parts. The first part being 1754 to 1774, then 1774 to 1787 part 2, and then the part we covered in class when we first met, 1787 to 1800. So if you're a little bit overwhelmed on the first 2/3 of this review, just relax. Remember, that's the summer assignment. It's the last third where you should be like, oh yeah, I remember doing all of this stuff in class. Also, you'll find in time period number 3, a sample DBQ, again, one professionally done by AMSCO, and it covers that time period. Again, as we talked about on the AP exam, you're not going to get boxed in on one particular event. It's going to be a question that's about like causation, a question about comparison, or a question about continuity and change over a period of time. You're not going to get hemmed in on one little thing. However, so that you get practice working with documents, AMSCO for each time period put together a DBQ. And you'll see there's a template you can click on to fill in for working with documents, describing the content that's in there and using them to support your argument, as well as the explain part of the document, putting the document in context, right? Situation, audience, point of view, et cetera, et cetera. And then you can click on that DBQ for a video lesson of me going over the documents with you. And again, that's all optional, right? You do not have to complete the practice DBQ. You do not have to submit the practice DBQ. You sure as heck don't have to write the practice DBQ. It's just there for you if you want practice for periods 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that would be 5 practice DBQs that, again, I don't think it's a good idea at all to write them. Please don't. But it's a really good idea to start looking at these documents and being like, okay, do I understand? As soon as I see, something from the Sugar Act, do I understand what that is? And can I describe what it was and use it to support my argument? And as well as, can I explain some historical context for that, the explain part? So you're going to move on now and click on to period number 3. And go through I'll be going through the study guide with you. I'll be up in the corner of the screen talking to you. Okay? All righty.